Hello guys, good morning everyone. Today I do have my reggae, gospel reggae. Guys, watch until the end of this video so that you cannot miss everything that I will be sharing with you. I made this instrumental today in order to show you how to make instrumental gospel. So let us start with the drums. After the drums we will end in the melody section, so you will see everything which I did in this instrumental. So let us start without talking too much. So here we do have the reed drums. Let us hear how they sound. Here are the reed drums. This is a kick. After the kick, I had to draw the reed drum here from Purity. I shows one of the Purity preset for this. So I shows this one. It's a Purity. All of the plugins that I will be using here, they are external plugins. I shows this one, Straight King Basic. If you enter in the drum bar, you will see this one here, which I used for this tutorial. So after that, I had to draw the melodies. You know, I always do the melodies for my beat. These are the melodies here. Okay, they sound very good. Later, I also use the Purity. Let us see. I shows piano and heart layer. You know, sometimes I like to add something else here, so you should know how to use Purity. After that, I had to copy past this one here to this. So let us hear both of them how they sound. For this one also, which I pasted, I shows guitar plug, and I had to choose this one that is called the Straight Clean. And after that, I had to draw another melody here, answering the first melodies which I drew. So let us see which preset I used. I think it's a I click it here where it is written guitar plug, and I had to choose this one, clean mute. I had to add also clean mute deal, something else like that. You know, when you're using Purity, sometimes we can add this part here. You see, for example, I can click here and start adding some other presets for my melody. So I only shows these 4 presets from this guitar. So after the guitar, I had to draw another melody here. So you know, I was playing this in order to create sadness. You know, this type of instrumental was for sadness. And in this Purity, I used these two presets here need more and some rest from this lead snit. As you can see here, I added these two presets for my melody to sound better. After this one, I had to play this that is very long. Let us hear. Okay, let us play only one melody here to hear how it sounds. You can also comment there in the description, in the comment section, if it was good or not. Let us see. Very simple to do this melody. You should do the coordination theory as I told you. For that melody which I showed you, I used the organ. The preset is too much VB. I don't know how to call it. And after that, I had to draw the bass. The bass also is very long. Let us hear how it sounds. As you know, this type of beat is for advanced, and I am only here showing you how I did it. If you want for me to start from zero, explaining you step by step, just comment in the comment section that I will check later your questions so that I can answer you. So the bass was very simple, and the first melodies which I showed you here that it is doing pa pa. I had to copy them and pass them down here. Let us hear how the strings are. Very simple. For strings, I use this preset here. Let me show you. Sub strings. It's very simple for you also to use. This was the tutorial for today's video. It's not long since we are only dealing with melodies, with the voices of our singers in the studio. So after that, this type of beat is also it needs you to put the breaks. The breaks are the parts of the beats which tell the singer that the part which they are entering is another part, in the part which they are leaving is another part. So here the breaks. Let us hear how they sound. You see? Okay, so let us play the entire beat to hear how it sounds, guys. Okay, very simple, very simple, very simple. Let us start from here. Okay guys, this was the tutorial showing you how to make reggae gospel beat. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next tutorials. If you subscribe to my channel and sharing my tutorials for your friends also who want to improve their skills and also want to be the producer also, you know what I mean by this. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.